So, good morning everyone. Today's topic is from manufacturing process. What is the thread cutting requirement for lathe operation of an English? This is our problem. At first, the problem is to calculate the change gear required to cut metric thread of 9 millimeter each in an English lathe having lead screw of 4 thread per inch, and also sketch the gear setting. Okay. Now, at first, what I am doing to calculate the gear requirement, we have known the formula, the thread cutting ratio. Thread cutting ratio, that means thread cutting ratio is equal to lead of the thread cut, lead of the thread to be cut divide with the lead of the thread to be cut, and this is divided with the lead of the screw. Now, lead of the thread to be cut, we have already known that the thread to be cut at 9 millimeter. That means put the value of lead of the thread to be cut 9 millimeter. And next, the pitch in an English lathe having lead screw of 4 thread per inch. That means lead of screw, that means 4 thread per inch, that means 1/4. Okay, this unit is millimeter, this is in inch. Now, calculate this or solve this. To solve this, in the unit is inch. To change the unit phase, that means this inch to convert into millimeter. That means 9/25.4 into 1/4 ohms are in millimeter. Okay, that means to convert inch to millimeter, the value is multiplied with 25.4. Now 36/25.4, this is the thread cutting ratio. Okay, but the original thread cutting ratio, what? But the original thread cutting ratio is equal to, our formula is teeth on driver gear by teeth on driven gear. Number of teeth on driver gear divided with number of teeth on driven gear by driver gear. Okay, number of teeth of driver gear by driven gear, driver gear by driven gear. Okay, now the number of teeth driver gear by driven gear, this is our gear ratio. This is also called gear ratio. This is also called gear ratio. Now put the value driver by driven. Driver gear by driven, so we can write that driver by driven is equal to 36 divided with 25.4. Okay, 36 divided with 25.4. Now for calculating the gear ratio, we find out the next one. We can write 36 into 18 into 2. That means 18 into 2 by 25.4. We can easily write this because 36 and 18 into 2 multiply, the result is 36. Now next step is 18 by 25.4 into 2 by 1. In up down multiply with 5 and this up down multiply with 20. Because of why the 36 by 25.4, this gear tip is not available. So two gears, so there are our requirement is 4 gear. So 4 gear there is 4 teeth number. So this calculation we can easily expand this calculation to calculate the gear teeth, number of gear teeth. Okay. Now this is calculated. 18 into 5 is 90 by 25.4 into 5. 25.4 into 5 is our 127. 127. And 2 into 20 is 40 into 40 by 20. Okay, this is our original gear teeth number. This is the number of driver teeth in gear and this is the number of driven teeth. Okay, now sketch number of teeth of driver gears. Now write the last gear. The driver teeth is for driver teeth, that means 90 and 40, 90 and 40, and driven teeth is equal to 127 and 20. And 20. Okay, this is our calculating the requirement. Now sketch this, sketch the gear requirement. You can see that our ultimate answer is number of driven gear and number of driver gear. That means the driver gear number 90 and 40 and the driven is 127 and 20. So that what is our driven gear and driver gear? This is our driven gear. From this portion to this portion, this is our driven gear. And the number is 20. So that if this is driven gear, the driver gear is also absolutely, this is the driver gear, absolutely. Okay, the driver gear, this is 40. The number of teeth is 40. So this is driven gear, number of teeth is 20. Now for another, you can see what is the driven gear and what is the driver gear. This is the driver gear. Number is 90 to this portion to this portion, this is the driver gear, and this is the driven gear. This is our driven gear. For this problem, we can calculate the driver gear number and driven gear number. Okay. Now, what is the point? Where the driver gear and where the driven gear? For the driver gear, this number is our driver gear. The number is 40, and driven gear. Now, our next problem is from the same chapter, thread setting for gear settings for English leg. In English leg. Next problem is why 127 number of tip gear is essentially required for cutting the metric thread on the English leg. Okay. That means for English leg the 127 number, why the 127 number of teeth, why important? Because now see that the lead screw of English leg is 4 TPI. Write this. The lead screw of English leg is 4 TPI. That means thread per inch. TPI, the full form is thread per inch. Its pitch is so what the pitch is, write this 1/4 into the unit is inch, 1/4 inch. For cutting the metric thread on English leg, for cutting the metric thread in English leg, what for cutting the metric thread in English leg is equal to thread cutting ratio. That means the thread cutting ratio we have already write the thread cutting ratio for English leg is equal to pitch of the thread to be cut, pitch of the thread to be cut divided with the number of pitch for lead screw, pitch of the lead screw, pitch of the lead screw. Okay. Now write this. Pitch of the thread to be cut divided with the pitch of the lead screw, and the gear ratio means, and the gear ratio that means driver gear by driven gear. That means we can write this, the driver gear P and the driven gear is 1/4, okay, millimeter. Okay, that means this is in inch. We can convert the unit inch to millimeter. That means P by 25.4 into 1/4. This is millimeter and this is also the millimeter. Now calculate this 4p by 25.4. 4p by 25.4. Okay. Now the driver gear and the driven gear is equal to now the number of teeth for driver gear and divided the number of teeth of driven gear is equal to 4p by 25.4. Calculated same according to same problem. 4p into 5 by 25.4 into 5. Okay, this is our 20p by 127. So why the 127 is very required. That is why. So we can write that is why 127 now teeth gear essentially teeth gear essential for cutting metric thread. So essential for cutting the metric thread. In English blade. Okay.